Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use professional dashboard on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, then you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. And then you need to click on professional dashboard on the top. And here you can see that your professional dashboard will be open and you can see account insights. And if you want to see all, click on see all. So this is your account insight, accounts reach, accounts engaged, total followers, and you can see that content you shared in the last 30 days. And here in the option you can see that add WhatsApp business, you can add that. And here you can see the add tool, branded content tool, setup saved replies. In add tool you will simply select and create an ad, and in branded content tools you can add a manually approved content creator. You can select and add branded content label on your post, and here you can set up save replies, and here in the bottom you will find tips and resources. So this is a process by which you can use professional dashboard on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.